This video demonstrates the link to deposit data into NC-SIML from an open WorkNC workzone. As a prerequisite, ensure that the NC-SIML Advanced option is active. This is located in the File tab and under Settings, then Preferences. Check the appropriate box and then Apply and OK. To add the icon, right-click to customize the ribbon and locate the Export to NC-SIML command under Geometry. Add it to a current tab or create a new custom one to your liking. Select the concatenated process to export and click on the newly created NC-SIML button. It will launch the interface window where specific instructions can be defined. Select the environment that contains the relevant digital twin machine for transfer into NC-SIML. Choose the machine from the list of available ones within that environment. Under Geometry Files, the interface automatically identifies the active stock, part, and fixturing elements, but you can define any additional models for transfer. Check the Launch NC-SIML Advanced option and hit OK, which will automatically start a new instance of NC-SIML. A project is built without any more user input, containing all of the project elements, placing the stock, part, fixtures and clamps, tools, and offsets in the correct location and orientation on the machine table. Since WorkNC files are generally posted per toolpath, you can add and stack any text file for certification from the ISO program icon. Add them all at once or work through them one at a time, depending on your on-machine strategy. NC-SIML will compare the transferred tools against the loaded G-code and ensure that all callouts are matching. Once satisfied, run the simulation to begin material removal to get a clear picture of the machine process and motion, knowing that at this point, everything is running on the true G-code.